Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we're going to be using the awesome Divi Supreme Modules plugin again today to create this rotating title text up here. It's really eye-catching and striking and really easy to do. So let's get started. Let's enable the Visual Builder. Once loaded, let's go down to where we want to work, which is right here, and I'll create a new section. Hit the little button for a new section there, make a regular section. And I'm going to put one column in there. And before I put anything in there, let's get rid of this one that we've got up here. I'm going to hit the little trash can icon and it's gone. Let's hit the little dark button to add a new module. If you want to check out the Divi Supreme Modules plugin, you can do it from my affiliate link below this video. Now Divi, the theme itself, as standard, comes with all these light grey modules here. And the Divi Supreme Modules adds all these other sort of purpley blue looking modules right here. And there's a lot of them. Today we're going to be using the Rotated Text module. There we are, Supreme Text Rotator. Once it loads, as you see, it's got three little default texts in there. Obviously change them to whatever you want them to say. Now we used this in yesterday's video to create one with some before and after text, which is quite handy for statements. But this one today we're going to purely be using as headlines. So now we've got that in there, let's put it where we want and make it the size that we want. Go to our design tab. We'll go down to the text settings. So I'm going to change the font. By default, Divi comes with literally hundreds of fonts and there's some really good ones here, so you'll never be stuck for a font. But I want to kind of use something slabby. I'll use the same one that I used before here. Now let's make it bold. And I'll make it uppercase. That's fine for the time being. I'm going to make it a lot bigger though. So I'm going to slide the text size up till it's fairly huge. A real sort of headline sort of size. You may want to adjust this for smaller devices. To do that, just hover over where it says main text here. And you can set different sizes by left clicking on the little sort of mobile phone type icon there. And you can set different sizes for tablet and phone. Okay, so we've got the size we want. Let's put it in the middle. So if we roll down a bit, center a line, and we'll give it a little text shadow there. Makes it sort of 3D type. I guess I'll use the same hot pink color I've been using for the rest of this site, just to keep it in line with everything. So main text color, if I click on there, left click, I can just paste in the hex code that I've been using. Or of course you can go down and just select a color from below here, however you wish to do it. Okay, so I want to make that text just as the letter spacing, I want to take that up a bit so there's a little bit of a gap between the letters. So let's spread it out, something like that. That works fine for me. Fantastic. So we're pretty much done really. I mean, it's done it for us. Of course, if we go back to the content, to the rotated text there, you can keep adding. You can have however many you want, or take away obviously by just hitting the little trash icon there. Now at the moment, I think it's 3 seconds, 3000 milliseconds. Let's take that up to 4000, which will be 4 seconds, just to slow it down. I don't want it to pause or hover, and I don't want people to have to click it to make it change. I just want it to do it every 4000 seconds. Great, so we've pretty much achieved our objective there. So let's save that, and just to make it stand out a bit more, we'll put a background image in our section and a background color, just to make people's eyes go to it a little bit more. So I've clicked on the section tab I'm in. I'm going to go to the background. Let's add an image. Doesn't matter too much which one we add. Let's add that one this time perhaps. Okay, you can leave it like that if you want to. Or Divi has got this fantastic feature that if you add a background color as well, I guess I'll add that same hot pink hex code I had going there. And like I said before, you can add any color you want. If you click on that, it'll drop down and show you recently used colors and different color palettes and what have you. So we've got a color in there, but as you notice, you can't see it at the moment. People that watch my videos before, I'm sure you know what's coming next. If we go back over to our image tab right here, scroll down just a little bit. You can use parallax if you want to. We've got it covering, centered, and no repeat, which is fine, but I want to sort of blend that background color in it with it. So if you, I'll just show you that again. If you click on background image blend, and it's got some great options down here, do play with them because you can get some fantastic effects. Multiply, it's a little too much. What about screen? Yeah, that's pretty good. I think that's what I had before. You can still see the text and it's giving it that nice pink hue there. But if you go on down, there's some ones that really do make a difference, like exclusion and difference. You can make it really psychedelic if you want to. But for me, I think I'll probably stick with the screen. Yeah. And the only other thing that I want to do is I'll go to our design tab, give it a little bit of box shadow just to make it stand out that little bit more. There we go. And there you have it. There's a nice little headline for your website. Let's save our changes. Going to purple button down the bottom, save the draft or publish the post if you're ready, or page. Let's exit the visual builder and see what we've got. There you have it. I think that's a great little sort of headline banner to have on your site, especially if you've got a sale on or something to say or a message you want to get across. And of course you can link it to anything you want if you wish. If you're having a sale on dresses, you could link it to the dress categories page or something like that. So there it is, another great job from Divi Supreme Modules. Like I say, you can download the Divi Supreme plugin from my affiliate link below. And if you want to check out the Divi theme itself, which is awesome standalone theme, you can do that from my affiliate link below also. And there's a free 30-day no strings attached trial you can take. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.